By turning this on, the current starts flowing through the circuit, and whenever you press this switch, the current is supposed to pass through this net, which will kill the mosquitoes. So whenever this gets damaged or gets old, you are supposed to do this thing. I have used a toggle switch over here which shorts these terminals, and with a single switch you can turn on this patch. So what happens over here is, whenever you press this switch, it shorts these two terminals, and whenever you press this switch, it is supposed to short this terminal, and whenever both of these switches or terminals, both of these terminals get shorted, the current is supposed to flow through this batch. A toggle switch replaces both of the switches, and we can use the bat again. I have put on this hole with the help of solder gun. You just have to heat your solder gun and put it inside. You can get this type of hole. Make this kind of hole by searching some place so that your toggle switch can fit, and that's it, you are done. Look, turning it on, turns on the bat.